What if one simple herb could transform your health? Rosemary tea, an ancient remedy, is gaining recognition as one of the most powerful healing beverages you can drink. Let's explore why sipping rosemary tea daily could be the key to unlocking amazing health benefits. Rosemary isn't just a fragrant herb for your kitchen. Packed with antioxidants, essential nutrients, and medicinal properties, rosemary tea has been used for centuries to boost health naturally. Today, we'll dive into the top 10 reasons you should make this soothing tea a part of your daily routine. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook natural remedies that can improve our well-being. Many people turn to supplements or medications while ignoring accessible, affordable options like rosemary tea. But by missing out on this herbal powerhouse, you could be skipping a daily ritual that promotes healing and vitality. Let's explore in depth why rosemary tea is more than just a flavorful beverage. It's a treasure trove of health benefits that can transform your well-being. To start with, rosemary tea is a memory booster. Its cognitive-enhancing properties are rooted in compounds like carnosic acid and 1,8-cineol, which are known to protect the brain from oxidative stress. These compounds enhance the production of neurotransmitters, leading to improved communication between brain cells. Rosemary tea can sharpen your memory, enhance learning, and even combat age-related cognitive decline, making it an ideal drink for students, professionals, and the elderly alike. Imagine sipping a warm cup before a big exam or presentation to give your brain that extra edge. Next, it's a digestive powerhouse. Rosemary tea stimulates bile production, which plays a key role in breaking down fats and promoting smooth digestion. If you often feel bloated or experience indigestion after meals, rosemary tea can be your go-to remedy. Its antispasmodic properties help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, alleviating cramping and discomfort. Not to mention, it promotes a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for nutrient absorption and overall gut health. Now, let's talk about stress. Rosemary tea is a natural anxiety reliever. Its soothing aroma, combined with its unique phytochemicals, interacts with the nervous system to lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. Drinking rosemary tea can help you relax after a long day, improve your sleep quality, and even uplift your mood. For those dealing with chronic stress or mild anxiety, rosemary tea offers a natural alternative to maintain mental equilibrium. Moving on to skin health, rosemary tea fights inflammation with incredible potency. It's loaded with antioxidants like rosmaric acid and caffeic acid, which combat free radicals responsible for skin damage and aging. Drinking rosemary tea regularly can help reduce redness, swelling, and acne, while also promoting a natural glow. For an added boost, you can even use cooled rosemary tea as a facial rinse to tighten pores and rejuvenate your skin. It's also a fantastic immune booster. Packed with vitamins A and C, rosemary tea strengthens your body's defenses against common illnesses like colds and flu. Its antimicrobial properties also help ward off harmful bacteria and viruses. Regular consumption of rosemary tea can keep your immune system in top shape, ensuring that you're better equipped to fight off seasonal illnesses. Let's not forget its impact on the heart. Rosemary tea supports cardiovascular health by improving blood circulation and reducing cholesterol levels. Its anti-inflammatory properties help protect the blood vessels, while its ability to regulate blood pressure ensures a healthy flow of nutrients and oxygen throughout your body. Adding rosemary tea to your daily routine could lower your risk of heart disease, one of the leading causes of mortality worldwide. If you suffer from chronic pain, rosemary tea serves as a natural pain reliever. Whether it's headaches, menstrual cramps, or joint pain, this herbal remedy provides gentle yet effective relief. Its anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce swelling, while its analgesic properties target pain at its source. Drinking a cup during painful episodes or incorporating it into your routine can help you manage discomfort without the need for over-the-counter medications. For those watching their waistline, rosemary tea is a weight management ally. By helping regulate blood sugar levels, it reduces spikes and crashes that often lead to cravings. Additionally, its metabolism-boosting properties can aid in burning calories more efficiently. Combined with a balanced diet, rosemary tea can support your weight loss goals in a sustainable way. Another major benefit is its role in detoxification. Rosemary tea promotes liver health by stimulating the elimination of toxins and supporting the liver's natural cleansing processes. A healthy liver not only boosts your energy levels but also ensures that your body can efficiently process nutrients and eliminate waste. Drinking rosemary tea regularly is like giving your body a gentle internal cleanse. Finally, rosemary tea encourages healthy hair growth. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents, it improves blood circulation to the scalp, nourishing hair follicles and promoting stronger, healthier strands. Drinking it regularly, or even using it as a hair rinse, can help combat thinning and boost shine, making rosemary tea a holistic solution for your hair care routine. Each of these benefits comes together to make rosemary tea a truly remarkable drink. With every sip, you're not just enjoying a warm and aromatic beverage, you're gifting your body a wealth of healing properties that touch nearly every aspect of your health. The incredible benefits of rosemary tea go far beyond its aromatic flavor. It's a simple, affordable remedy that can enhance your health in countless ways, from your brain to your skin, and even your heart. Incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine is an easy way to support your overall health naturally. With benefits like improved memory, digestion, immunity, and more, this herbal tea is truly an impressive healing remedy. Have you tried rosemary tea before? Let us know in the comments which of these benefits excites you the most. Don't forget to like, share this video with your tea-loving friends, and subscribe to Nutrition Nomic for more tips on natural health remedies.